Carson can go down.
Alright, we're in Maui right now at the Westin Nanea Villas. Going swimming, it's day one. We're gonna have a lot of videos of our trip. So starting today, we are here at the Westin, the kid pool. We're gonna go down the slide, and then it's shallow down there, but it's like sand. Are you gonna go, Chloe? Alright, 1, 2, 3, go! So I will have a room tour video of the, we're staying in one of the 2-bedroom villas, but I'll show you guys on this camera as well on my GoPro. If you want to watch that video, click that link in the description. Carson, are you gonna go have Grandpa catch you? Carson? You ready, buddy? Go, you're fine. First parent ever.
Yeah.
Bye, Cooper. You wanna slide? You gonna go on the slide? Go. Wow. It's a fun little splash pad. You like it, Cody?
Yeah.
Watch your step on those stairs over there, Chloe. Good job. Show me how you go underwater.
I want to sit on the back.
Okay, go underwater.
Hey.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, go.
Are you having fun so far, Carter?
Yeah.
You like the water? Or you just like mommy? What do you think of the Westin so far?
It's nice. I like it.
Super nice. Yeah, this pool is pretty small.
Busy. Busier than Marriott Maui Ocean Club. It's been 7 years though.
Yeah. But we might walk over to the other Westin resort and use their pools as well. But it's interesting, you don't need like a wristband.
No.
So I mean, you honestly could just jump over here and swim if you want
I
to.
want a big slide. Can we go to the big slide?
But we're gonna go find bigger. They have bigger water slides over at the other resort. We probably will walk over there soon, hun.
Yeah, I think so.
Watch this, everybody.
Okay, show me.
Yeah.
Do they have a pirate ship here, or is that that's at Marriott? There's one here. Nice. So we'll go check that pirate ship out. Look at the blue sky. Can you tell how beautiful the blue sky is, or
I
not?
want to go on a blue slide. Can I go on a blue slide with
Yes,
you?
but make sure you go check out our room tour video, and if you want to get a trip to the Westin, there's links in the description, right, Clay? Links in the description to if they want to stay here. And if you do that, it helps our channel out. I would use Ebates, or if I can find an affiliate link for something else, I'll let you know.
Give it to me.
But,
Give it to me.
oh, hey, I'm still strapped in.
Mama. Okay, let me get out. Okay, I'm gonna get out and go to the blue slide.
Oh, yeah. There's how much water I can see that. Oh, you
I got a daddy's camera.
Oh, you taking pictures?
No, this is a camera in your vlog.
You got it there? Need help? You got it?
Okay, I'm gonna go going up this.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the blue slide with the camera. Let me go to the blue slide. Okay, everybody, we're gonna go down the slide. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, me and Carter are gonna go on the slide together. You wanna watch us, Chloe?
No.
She might get scared. He needs his daddy.
I will go down the water slide.
Me and Carter are going down the slide.
No, I want.
Will you go film us? Break your neck. Whiplash. Who's supposed to be on Cody duty?
Me.
Oh. I'm gonna go on my tummy, Chloe.
No, I want
I don't think we're supposed to do that though, but we're gonna be rebels. I'm on my knees. Oh God. Watch out! Oh my God. Whoa. I can't stop. What? What do you want to say?
Tell them where you're going.
Where are we going? Where are we?
back to the water park.
The water park? Yeah, fun. You did not like the sand?
He did not like this
No,
sand.
you don't like the sand? Why? You got sand in your
All in
face.
his mouth.
Oh, did you fall?
He did fall.
Sad day. Gonna go check out the beach. The waves are pretty high today, so we're not gonna go swimming in it because we don't feel like drowning. But they have a nice like little boardwalk to come up here, so you can bring a stroller up here pretty easily. We're just checking out the beach. Yeah, look at those big waves, guys. So cool. The beach is pretty steep here. No, and it's pretty steep today too. That wave right there would suck you right under and straight out.
People don't understand.
Look at how big those are.
I remember that from last night. Yeah.
Yeah, so thankfully they have nice pools.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we're at the other Westin resort now. It's a short walk down the boardwalk. They've got a playground for the kids over here. A pirate ship boat, which is super fun. What up?
Hi.
Look how cool we are. Arr.
He.
Okay, run like a flamingo. Run. See if you fly if you run fast enough. So we just walked up to the pool and grabbed these floaties. Hopefully we didn't steal someone's floaties, so sorry if we stole it from you. Got floaties. They have this free cycle bin with, you can like donate toys, floaties for other people to use at the end of your vacation. Pretty cool. Go Cody! You go super fast. 1, 2, 3. Go! Go! Go, Cody! Whoa! Woo! Okay, go, Cody. Gonna go down that slide? Go! Drink. It's like I got my first wine drink's like a mudslide. Good. What'd you get?
A Mai Tai.
How was it?
So good.
Yeah. Paper straws. Hate paper straws. Save the turtles. Have a little like hula dancing in the lawn. So cool.